Imagine turning 30 with money in your savings account, multiple streams of income, and skills that companies are willing to pay for. Now imagine reaching 30 with no savings, no investments, and relying on a paycheck that barely covers your expenses. The difference isn't always intelligence. It isn't luck either. Most of the time, the difference is what you decide to do with your 20s. Your 20s are one of the best times to build wealth because you have something that older people wish they had more of: time. Time allows your money, your skills, and your experience to grow year after year. The internet has made it possible for almost anyone with a smartphone or a computer and a stable internet connection to earn money from anywhere in the world. In this video, I'm going to show you practical ways to make money online before you turn 30 and how to increase your chances of becoming financially independent. Let's get started. The first thing you need to understand is that making money online is not a get-rich scheme. Many people see videos promising thousands of dollars overnight. Unfortunately, that's not how sustainable online income works. Real online income comes from solving problems, creating value, or providing a service that other people are willing to pay for. Once you understand that principle, everything becomes much easier. The first method is selling digital products. A digital product is something you create once and sell repeatedly without worrying about shipping or inventory. Examples include ebooks, planners, templates, printable designs, digital art, stock photos, budgeting spreadsheets, business documents, social media templates, and educational guides. The biggest advantage is that after creating the product, you can continue selling it for months or even years. Many people earn passive income because customers can buy their products while they're asleep. The better your product solves a problem, the more likely people are to purchase it. The second method is creating content on YouTube. You don't need expensive cameras to get started. Many successful creators began with only a smartphone. You can create videos, teaching skills, reviewing products, sharing personal finance advice, discussing technology, explaining AI tools, or creating educational content. As your audience grows, you can earn money through advertising revenue, sponsorships, memberships, and selling your own products. The key is consistency. Many people quit after uploading 5 or 10 videos. Successful creators often upload for months before seeing significant growth. The third method is selling digital downloads. Millions of people purchase printable planners, calendars, journals, invitation cards, business templates, wedding checklists, study notes, and resume templates every day. If you enjoy designing or organizing information, this can become a profitable business. Once uploaded to an online marketplace, your products can continue generating income with little maintenance. The fourth method is learning artificial intelligence tools. AI has created opportunities that didn't exist just a few years ago. Businesses now need people who know how to use AI to create content, write marketing materials, generate images, edit videos, and improve productivity. Instead of fearing AI, learn how to use it. The people who master AI today may have a significant advantage over those who ignore it. The fifth method is starting an online store. You don't necessarily need to manufacture products yourself. Many people start by selling products supplied by manufacturers or wholesalers while focusing on marketing and customer service. Others create their own branded products after understanding what customers want. The internet gives you access to customers far beyond your local area. The sixth method is selling stock content. If you enjoy photography or videography, businesses constantly need quality images and videos. Every time someone downloads your content from a stock marketplace, you receive a payment. One video or one photograph can continue earning money multiple times. This creates another source of passive income. The seventh method is building a personal brand. People buy from people they trust. When you consistently share valuable knowledge on social media, YouTube, or other platforms, you build credibility. Over time, companies may approach you for sponsorships. You may also launch your own products, courses, or services. A strong personal brand can become one of your most valuable assets. Now, let's talk about something even more important. Your skills determine your income. The more valuable your skills become, the more opportunities you'll have. Spend time learning skills like video editing, graphic design, copywriting, digital marketing, website creation, AI prompting, public speaking, content creation, and sales. These skills are valuable because businesses are willing to pay for them. Knowledge is one of the few investments that can increase your income for decades. Another important habit is investing in yourself. Instead of spending all your money on expensive clothes, luxury gadgets, or unnecessary entertainment, invest some of it in learning. Buy books. Take online courses. Purchase software that improves your productivity. Upgrade your equipment when it helps you produce better work. These investments often generate much higher returns than buying things that lose value over time. One mistake many young people make is depending on a single source of income. If that income disappears, financial problems begin immediately. Instead, work toward building multiple income streams. For example, imagine you earn money from YouTube. At the same time, you sell digital products. You also earn commissions from partnerships and receive income from stock videos. Now you're not relying on only one source. This creates financial stability. Saving money is just as important as earning it. Many people increase their income, but also increase their spending. As soon as they earn more, they buy a more expensive phone, more expensive clothes, or a more expensive lifestyle. As a result, they remain broke. Instead, develop the habit of saving and investing part of every payment you receive. Even small amounts become significant over time. Avoid comparing yourself to people on social media. Many people only post their successes. They don't show the months or years of hard work behind those achievements. Your journey will be different. Focus on becoming better than you were yesterday rather than competing with strangers online. Consistency beats motivation. Some days you'll feel excited. Other days you'll feel like quitting. Successful people continue working even when motivation disappears. Small actions repeated consistently often produce extraordinary results. Uploading one video every week for several years can completely change your financial future. Creating one digital product every month can eventually build an entire online business. Don't wait until everything is perfect. Many people spend months planning. They keep saying they'll start next month, next year, after buying a better laptop, after getting a better phone. The truth is, you'll never feel completely ready. Start with what you have. Improve as you go. Experience teaches lessons that planning alone never can. Another important lesson is learning basic financial management. Know where your money goes every month. Create a budget. Track your income. Reduce unnecessary spending. Pay attention to investments instead of only expenses. Money grows when it's managed wisely. Networking also matters. Connect with people who are building businesses, creating content, or learning new skills. Sometimes, one conversation can introduce you to opportunities you never knew existed. Surround yourself with people who encourage growth rather than constant excuses. Remember that failure is part of the process. Your first video may receive very few views. Your first digital product may not sell. Your first business idea may fail. That's normal. Every successful entrepreneur has experienced setbacks. The difference is, they kept learning, improving, and trying again. Failure isn't the opposite of success. It's often one of the steps leading toward it. If you're in your early 20s today, you have an incredible opportunity. Imagine spending the next 5 to 8 years learning valuable skills, creating online businesses, building multiple income streams, and investing consistently. By the time you reach 30, your financial position could be completely different from where you are today. The earlier you start, the greater the advantage you'll have, because time works in your favor. Here's a simple action plan you can begin today. Choose one online income method. Spend 1 hour every day learning it. Practice consistently. Create something every week. Save part of every payment you receive. Continue improving your skills. Stay patient. Keep going, even when progress seems slow. Over time, those small daily actions can produce life-changing results. Remember this. Your 20s are not only for spending money, they're for building wealth. therefore developing skills, therefore creating opportunities that your future self will appreciate. The internet has opened doors that previous generations never had. The question isn't whether opportunities exist. The question is whether you'll take advantage of them. Start today. Stay consistent. Keep learning. Keep improving. And before you turn 30, you may have built an online income that gives you more financial freedom, more choices, and a stronger future than you ever imagined. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone in their 20s who wants to start making money online. I'll see you in the next video.